I'm really excited to be here to find a new series to get sucked into, something maybe thriller or fantasy, somewhere I can just escape to again.
We are at NoVA Teen Book Festival today. It's a festival that connects published YA authors, local YA authors, and their fans and readers of all ages, but mostly teens. This year's registration for the event is almost 1,300 people. Last year it was about 700, so we're almost double where we were last year. The mission of NoVA Teen Book Festival is to connect teen readers to authors. So it gives them an opportunity to engage with the people that they're reading on a daily basis. So our keynote author for this event is Anna Marie McLemore. She's an award-winning author. Fans will be able to see her keynote speech. They'll also be able to connect with her and other authors in smaller breakout sessions where they'll get an opportunity to ask questions one-on-one.
I am interested in sitting on some of the panels. Since I'm not really familiar with any of the authors, I think it's going to be a really good opportunity for me to kind of go in blind and be interested in the author and then their work.
Oh, in the hallway here we have exhibitors from various organizations. So this is an opportunity for people, festival attendees, to come by and visit with local organizations that will also connect them with literature and other similar events.
It's fun just seeing all these different people from around Virginia and just getting to experience books and being an author and writing all together with so many different people.